vlog. So what you're going to do today is, as I was covering the series on how to make a YouTube video, today is the last part of the series where I'm going to discuss about lighting and the basics of lighting and what lights you require to start a YouTube channel. That is, after starting, when you uploaded few videos, if you want to improve the quality of your lighting, what are the lights you require? So let's start. Okay, so what are the lights you require to go ahead and start to make the quality of your YouTube video better? The lights which you require are just two lights, not more than that. If you do have a green screen, you can see the green screen lighting separately over here, because that's a totally different case. In my case, I've used two LED tube lights, which are just a DIY project, and it's doing the work for me. But in case you just need a normal light for your YouTube channel, I'll be going ahead and telling you in detail about that. So what is lighting basically? Why you need that in a YouTube video? It's simple. Let me switch off my lights and you will understand why you need that. So this is a YouTube video without lighting, without any lights. The only two lights which are on are the behind the green screen lights. Apart from that, there are no lights over here. So first, I will go ahead and switch on my key light, and you will know the difference between the normal key light and the fall light. There are two lights actually. So first I'll switch on my key light. You can see that this is the key light, but there are few shadows this side. You can see my hand also moving with the shadow over here. Perfectly? Yeah. So now I'll be going ahead and switching on my fall light. So it's in a warmer tone, but I'll be changing it to a white tone so that the shadows disappear over here easily. So these are two lights you require, and it's not that expensive also as you think. Key light, if you go for a branded one, comes about 8 to 10,000, but I'm not going to go ahead and tell that much because I didn't spend that much. I spent about 800 bucks. I'll be sending the link, I'll be leaving the link below how to go ahead and set that up, and add the link of the product also. What you require are two stands, basic stands, two basic tripod stands, which come for about 400 bucks, and now some sale is going on, so you might even get for 300 bucks. You need two basic tripod stands which can go till 7 feet, extendable ones, and they have to be solid. So there is a company like which manufactures this. It comes with a mobile holder and all those stuff also, and it's about 7 feet tall. So in case you want to use it as a tripod also, you can use it later on for outdoor shooting or anything, because when you're doing outdoor shooting you don't require lights because you do have the sunlight over there. So that's an advantage you have in the outdoor shooting. So what is a key light? So let me go ahead and show you my setup so that you understand what is the key light. I do have a stand over here, and over the stand I have a adapter. I'll be mentioning the link of the adapter and the normal tripod stand, and also the umbrella. This is just for my key light, what I mentioned. And this light, I do have an umbrella in front so that it will act as a diffuser towards me. And the secondary is I have a stand which I have told you you'll get it for about 400 bucks, and over that you have a normal adapter. An adapter, you don't have to buy any special bulbs for that. You can go to any electrical shop and get a 20 watt or 30 watt according to your requirement, an LED bulb. You can get one or two, whatever you require. It's up to your choice according to your home situation, like how much light you require. For my case, I have two lights over here because that is the best lighting for my situation over here. But apart from that, you can go ahead and do that. And now you'll be thinking, okay, this is the key light what he has discussed, and what about the other light? The other light is nothing but a fall light. which will be in your right hand side, and you have to place it like at about 45 degrees. One will be in 45 degrees of your left, the key light, which is the main light of your video. The second is a fall light, where I told you in the beginning, like the shadows will disappear because of that, and it will also give you a separate image apart from your back side. That is, in your back light, you'll be separated from that light background because of the fall light. You don't need to get a halo light or anything for that, because a fall light is more than enough for that if you have a bright key light. Because some people use the halo light also, but that is for making very good, very good videos, or very good movie type videos. So we don't require that movie setup. Now we need a normal basic startup YouTube channel lighting. So this fall light, what I did for that is I bought a ring light. I have the link below for that also. It comes about 300 odd. So this is a stand, and this is my ring light around it. And I have control for everything in my desk over here itself. Like in case I had to switch off the light, I can just go ahead and switch off the light like this. So now you can see like nothing is on. Just the behind LEDs are on for the green screen. So when I go ahead and switch on the key light, you can see just the key light is on, but the ring light, which is my fall light, is not on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the key light, and first I'll put on the fall light. I do have the controls in my hand, as I told you. So this is just a warm color, but you have in the ring light it's an option to change it to white color also. So if I change it to white, you can see the difference over here. This is without light. One second. This is without light. This is with the light. So you can see the difference. So this is my fall light, and you can increase also as much as you want the temperature of that. And now if you see, this side is covered, but this side has a shadow here. So I'll put on my fall light so that it covers me the whole way around here without any dramatic effect on it. So this is my fall light. You can see directly on me and without any problem over here. So this is the simplest way to go ahead and light up your normal YouTube setup. And this is the best way you can go ahead and do it in an inexpensive manner. The total cost for me over here was about 400. Because I got the normal stand with the halogen bulb, it was a little bit about 800 to 900 bucks. But later on I changed the halogen bulb to a normal LED bulb so that it's pleasant on your face. It won't be like the warm light on your face always, because that will also spoil your face actually. So you don't have to go, like if you see all those movie actors and everything, they do go ahead and face halogen lights for a long time, and you see the wrinkles, crow feet and everything in their face a lot of times, and we don't need that. So normal LED bulb will be cool. It's a cool bulb. You won't sweat, you won't do anything, and you can do the YouTube video normally without any problem as usual. So these are the best cheapest lights. So this cost me about 800 bucks, this whole setup, plus umbrella plus stand. It came around 800 bucks, yeah. And the bulb separately I had to purchase in my end, because it was about I had the halogen, so I bought the adapter for about 600 bucks. So but in your case, what you can do is you can buy the 400 rupees stand, 2 stands that is. It will come about 7 feet each, and you can even increase it. Sometimes you even get the 9 feet stand, and it is extendable, and you can even bend the lights, so it's useful for you. And 400 it comes to 800 for both the lights, both the stands. An umbrella will cost you around 200 bucks, so around 1000. And an adapter, it depends. You want one light, means it will cost you around 300, or 2 lights means half the main key light is about 200. So plus the ring light, so that comes around, to be said, totally about 1500. Why do you want to go ahead and spend 8,000 or 10,000 for the whole lighting system when you can do this in 1500 rupees? Because in another video I showed you how to make a a lighting setup for the green screen just under 500. So under 1500, if you go on the sale, I think so within 1000 your whole lighting setup will be done without any problem. So I would suggest you to go for this and check on Amazon, the links below which I have given. The sale is going on now, so you will get for a good price. And best of luck doing and trying this out for yourself. And until next time, this is Kamal over here, and you're watching kamaltechvlog. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do go ahead and like and subscribe the video if you did like it and enjoy it. And until next time, you have a wonderful day.